Hey guys, today my name is Sean Hill, the Passive Income Coach, and today we're going to talk about that nice little program that just keeps delivering the results. But before I talk about that, I'm going to give you a moment to read this. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it. The nice little program I'm talking about is Asapair. That's right. It just keeps delivering those plans. Those planes just keep landing on time. They just keep delivering the funds. And there's so many other things. I just don't get around to this one up. You know what Asapair is kind of like to me? It's kind of like that little child that just does the things it's supposed to do. It's off in a corner. It minds its own business. It just delivers. And it doesn't, what they say, the squeaky wheel gets the oil. Well, there's not a lot of squeaking. Even in the Telegram group, there are a couple of questions, but other than that, it's just real chill, just real relaxed. Nothing like really flying, right? Nothing like really being on an airplane. So let's kind of, for those that don't know, let me just quickly walk you through some of the plans that this program, some of the outlines of this program. It's a 31-day program. It delivers Monday through Sunday. Monday through Sunday. Return on your investment, depending on which one you pick, 4% per day. You'll get that and it goes up to 6%. For 31 days. So that's pretty cool. It has this cool little calculator right here, so you can calculate your profits. Profitability overall, true profit is 24 to 86% per month. The deposit is included in your payouts. So as you're getting paid out on a daily basis, part of that payout is going to be your deposit. So there's no amount that you're going to be giving out at the end. You're going to be getting it as you go. So with that also being said, there's no way, at least on this particular platform, for you to get your capital out early. It's going to be locked in for that 31 days. So just be aware of that. You can get started with this one as little as $20. $20 can get you started on this one. The maximum investment is $50,000. And one of the things that I really, really appreciate about this platform is they have daily and monthly limits. In other words, you just can't come in here and spend as much as you want. Now, some people, those limits are pretty high, but I think that helps improve the sustainability of this platform, and hopefully it'll go on for a long time because, as I said, it's really, really delivering. And right now I'm going to go and we're going to see how instant those withdrawals are. Before I do that, I want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. If you want to join platforms like Asapair, always do your own due diligence. And then, even then, I would suggest that you only invest what you are willing and able to lose. Another thing I like about this is they have the little chat. Not every platform has that. It has a chat. It does have an active Telegram group. So these are the things that I really like about it. But the thing that I like most, the thing that I truly like most is deliveries. I like those withdrawals. So let's go here into the cabinet. Oh, see, we're flying the friendly skies. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go to my balances. And we're going to get out this $11. Yep. It has been processed automatically. Let's see if it has. Let's see if it has. All right, let's see. Receive work. So it's not there yet. Okay, so let's go back because we do like those. Let's see. Most payments are made instantly or within 4 hours of the amount, the moment of the application. However, in some cases, additional time may be required to process, which can be the maximum processing time on application of 72 hours. So, like I said, hey, I'm not going to edit anything. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's still there. Okay, well, let's refresh it. Unless I got another 11. Okay, so there's 0 now. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to edit anything out. It has not shown up here yet, but we did. Well, let's see. Let me check something out here. Refresh this. There it is. Okay, okay. Took a little bit. There's $11. So it wasn't quite instant, but that's fast enough for me. All right, guys. So this is Sean Hill, the passive income coach. If you got value from this, about hearing this nice little program that's just over in the corner, just doing its thing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And also, if you want to be notified about this platform or any other platform as I bring them on, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, the subscribe button, and then hit the notification so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And if you want to fly these friendly skies, oh, they've been friendly so far, make sure that you click the link in the comments and in the description area of this video. I'm off to the friendly skies of Asapair. This is Sean Hill, the passive income coach, and I'll see you on the next video.